ask, is it possible to correct errors in the I-485 during green card interview? Yeah, happens frequently. Just let them know. If you know an error exists, contact USCIS by sending them a letter, calling them, and going through the online website and making a correction there. So one of those should be enough, but because I've had experience with the system with that one not working, and as an attorney I got to always be conservative. So when we find an error on the I-485 or any other application, I send a letter to the service center, I go online and try to use the online system too, and if possible I call them as well, and then when I go to the interview, in writing I give a piece of paper with the correction as well as orally correcting it. So there's 5 different ways to fix it, and so because there's 5 different ways, hopefully 4 of them fail, 1 of them will work. And a lot of times all 4 or 5 of them still fail. So you want to have this so you have backup to show that you did the right thing and the error was not on your part. So if later on, for example, you need to fix an error, a typo on a green card, they don't charge you the fee for that. They say, okay, it was our error, you told us 5 times, okay, we'll fix it up. And you want to keep track of all that kind of stuff. Thank you for watching. If you haven't already, please click subscribe down here and ring that bell to get the latest updates. Also, please follow us at the links above on these various social media sites to catch the latest information, live videos, and more to help you be updated on U.S. immigration.